Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Ken. Today is January 18th, 2021. This is 57th episode about the programming language C++ 20 standard. In this episode, I will discuss std array, std tuple, std apply, Variadic Template Parameter Pack 2. This is second video about these things. More specifically, I will explain how to create C++ template library, especially TalkPlayFun sstream class. Also, how to create two-dimensional std array or multi-dimensional std array. To follow my current session, I assume you have watched my previous video, episode 56. If you haven't watched this video, please double-click this link. I assume you have watched my previous video, episode 56. If you didn't, please watch it. Otherwise, you may not be able to understand my current and future sessions. Scroll down, click Show More, scroll down. In the Download Source Code section, episode 56, please double-click this link and download source code from our previous episode. Show in folder, unzip it, right-click, rename 57 multi-dimensional array. Copy the folder, paste it, cpp20, our working folder. Start Visual Studio Code. Open the working folder cpp20. From folder 57, open array.cpp. Ctrl V, Ctrl End. Here I will create using type alias like this. Template, type name, element type, size t, row count, size t, column count, using array 2d t std array, comma here, row count or column count. We have to put row count. Then here std array element type, comma, column count. So this is outer array. Outer array has element std array, inner array. In the inner array, the element count is column count. In the outer array, the element count is row count. Don't forget semicolon. Two-dimensional row major array following C and C++ convention. Now I will copy this, paste, size t, height count, using array 3d t std array, comma, what should come here? Height count. Then here we use it. Array 2d t element type, row count, column count. Three-dimensional row major array. Three-dimensional row major array following C and C++ convention. For more information about row major and column major, please refer to this documentation. I will copy the link and paste it here for your reference. Now scroll down here, void test 2D std array. Copy this function, paste it in function main. I will disable it here. std array a std array 1 2 3 std array 4 5 6. I will put carriage return here. We created 2 rows, 1 row, 2 rows by 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 3 columns, 2 by 3 std array. Now stream a and there start command prompt dir cd 057 multi-dimensional array clang std c++20 array.cpp ltbb or c.exe. Hit enter. clsc. So array A has 1 row, 2 rows, and 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns. My question is, we haven't defined output operator for stream object. How it works? To answer to this question, we need 2 type functions: std tuple size b, std tuple element t. This shows that std array is a specialization or extension of std tuple using at 댓글 type a stream the type of a talk play fun get type name at from at context pair auto row count std tuple size b at stream row count array A's element type is std array int3 using A's element t std tuple element t. First element is this element. We provide a t stream A's element type talk play fun get type name a element t, and there how can we find out std array this element count? Context pair auto column count std tuple size b a element t stream column count and there now we build once again clsc. So the type of a is std array 2 with std array int3 as its element. So the outer 2 is 2 rows. Inner std array 3 represent column count, row count 2, column count 3, ace element type, std array int 3 elements. Basically, we need to understand std tuple size v, std tuple element t, because array A has 2 rows, so we can provide 1. So this element, we can try another one using A element T std tuple element T. The inner element has 3 elements, so we can provide 2 A element T stream ace element type. Talk, play, fun. Get type name A element T, and there. So ace second low's last element's type is int, so 2. If we build again CLSC, so ace element type is int, because ace element type is int. Ace element type is int. Ace element type is std array int 3. std array int 3. To use std array successfully, we need to understand std tuple size v, std element type t. These 2 facts shows us that std array is a specialization or an extension of std tuple. Since we are equipped with enough information about the type of A, now scroll up. We created this operator function in our previous episode. Please understand that element type itself is array. Once again, element type is template parameter itself becomes array. So in this operator, if element of this outer array is ITR, its value type is an array, then this operator is called recursively. If the type of ITR or element type, the template parameter is std array, then this operator is called recursively. This explains how this operator works successfully. This shows why we have to create our functions all in template. I created all my library in template.